Welcome to our home gardening series. Today, we'll show you how to grow red gourd at home in just 60 days. Red gourd, also known as loofah, is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that's easy to cultivate in your backyard or even in containers. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the soil. First, we need to prepare the soil. Red gourd thrives in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. Choose a sunny spot in your garden or a large container with good drainage. Loosen the soil to a depth of about 12 inches and mix in plenty of compost or well-rotted manure. This enriches the soil with nutrients and improves its texture. Step 2. Selecting and planting seeds. Next, let's talk about seeds. You can purchase red gourd seeds from a garden center or online. Soak the seeds in water for 24 hours before planting to speed up germination. Plant the seeds about 1 inch deep and 2 to 3 feet apart. If you are using a container, plant 2 to 3 seeds per container. Water the soil gently to keep it moist. Step 3. Watering and fertilizing. Watering is crucial during the early stages. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Red gourd plants need regular watering, especially during dry spells. Once the seedlings are established, apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. This will provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Step 4. Providing support. Red gourd vines can grow quite long, so they need support to climb. Install a sturdy trellis or use a fence for the vines to climb on. As the plants grow, gently tie the vines to the support structure using soft ties. This helps the plants grow vertically and keeps the fruits off the ground. Step 5. Pruning and training. Pruning is important to direct the plant's energy towards fruit production. Trim the side shoots and remove any yellowing leaves regularly. Pinch off the tips of the main vine once it reaches the top of the trellis. This encourages lateral growth and more flowering. Step 6. Pollination. Red gourd plants have male and female flowers. Natural pollinators like bees usually do the job, but you can also hand pollinate to ensure a good fruit set. Use a small brush to transfer pollen from male flowers to female flowers. Female flowers have a small swelling at the base, which will develop into the fruit. Step 7. Pest and disease management. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids, beetles, and mites. Inspect the plants regularly and use organic insecticidal soap if needed. To prevent diseases, ensure good air circulation around the plants and avoid overhead watering. Mulching can also help suppress weeds and retain soil moisture. Step 8. Harvesting. After about 60 days, your red gourds should be ready for harvest. The fruits are usually about 6 to 12 inches long when they are tender and tasty. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the G. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home gardening tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Ads from the vine. Harvesting regularly encourages the plant to produce more fruits. Conclusion. And there you have it. Growing red gourd at home is a rewarding experience that provides fresh, nutritious vegetables in just 60 days. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy gardening!